Hey guys! We recently got a chance to put together a review for the new Cintiq Pro 24. So let's crack open the box and check it out. The Cintiq Pro has all your essentials, including the Pro Pen 2, the pen stand with 10 replacement nibs, the Express Key remote, and the instruction guide. Whether you use PC or Mac, the provided USB-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, or mini display cables will get you up and running. The 4K screen and 99% Rgb color accuracy make your work look amazing. And with virtually no parallax, it's the most accurate Wacom tablet yet. As you can see, there's significantly less bezel around the tablet, which allows for more working room. The screen is made of etched glass, so it gives you the feeling of drawing on paper, but with crystal clarity. On the left side of the 24, we have two USB 3 ports and an audio jack. And on the right side, we have two more USB 3 plus an SD reader. Its built-in stand raises it from 5 degrees to 20 degrees. The Cintiq 24 also has an optional engine attachment that turns your display into a standalone desktop computer capable of running full art programs and even VR, but we'll be taking a closer look at that in a future video. Feel free to comment, like, or subscribe, and check us out on Instagram.